Ever tightened a lug nut hoping it is secure, only to have your wheel wobble on the highway, or worse, snapped a stud because you cranked it down too hard? Today, we are putting an end to the guesswork and saving you thousands in potential vehicle repairs. We have spent weeks in the shop rigorously testing the most popular torque wrenches on the market, pushing them to their limits on various vehicles to see how they perform in the real world. 7. SUZUME Torque Wrench. Testing out the SUZUME Torque Wrench was an interesting experience for our team, as we wanted to see how an entry-level option would handle the high-stress environment of frequently swapping out car tires. Right out of the box, it has a very standard no-frills appearance that gives off a utilitarian vibe, featuring a dual-direction adjustable head that is designed to accommodate different types of fasteners. When we first applied it to a set of standard lug nuts, the ratcheting mechanism functioned adequately, allowing us to move around the wheel hub without taking the socket off the bolt. It is supposed to handle standard garage tasks with ease, but we immediately noticed that the metal handle lacks any sort of ergonomic contouring, making it quite harsh on the hands during extended use. The dual scales on the shaft are intended to make switching between metric and imperial measurements simple, but the etching is remarkably faint. While working in our driveway under direct sunlight, the glare on the chrome finish made reading the precise numbers incredibly frustrating, forcing us to constantly squint and double-check our settings. Setting the torque requires turning the bottom knob, and while it does lock into place, the internal spring mechanism felt somewhat gritty and uneven as we dialed it up to higher foot-pound requirements. We actually had to exert quite a bit of physical force just to twist the handle to the 100 foot-pound mark, which slowed down our workflow significantly. The most critical part of any torque wrench is the click that alerts you when you have reached your target, and unfortunately, the SUZUME's alert is exceptionally soft. 6. ATsafepro Drive Click Torque. Moving on to the ATsafepro, we had slightly higher hopes given its advertised 72-tooth gear mechanism, which usually promises a much smoother operation in tight spaces. Taking it out of its plastic storage case, the wrench has a decent weight to it, and the initial swings of the ratchet head felt noticeably more refined than our previous budget contender. The 72-tooth design means you only need 5 degrees of swing arc to move the fastener, which we found incredibly useful when we were testing it on suspension components deep inside the wheel well. It allowed us to make small, precise ratcheting movements without having to constantly reset our position, saving a lot of time on hard-to-reach bolts. However, as we started putting it through heavier lug nut duties, the handle design quickly revealed a glaring flaw that became a major annoyance for our testing team. The grip is heavily textured but lacks any rubberized coating, meaning that as soon as our hands got a little bit sweaty or slightly greasy from tire shine, the wrench became incredibly difficult to hold securely. Furthermore, the torque adjustment collar utilizes a pull-down locking mechanism that is supposed to keep your settings secure while you are throwing your weight into the wrench. During our tests, this collar repeatedly became jammed tightly with debris and dust from the shop, requiring us to awkwardly pry it down with a screwdriver just to change our torque settings for a different car. While the click sound on the ATsafepro is definitely louder than the SUZUME, we noticed some inconsistencies in its breakaway tension when we double-checked its accuracy with a digital calibrator. It tends to drift a few foot-pounds over the set limit after just a dozen uses, meaning you would have to recalibrate this tool far more often than you should, making it hard to trust for critical wheel applications. 5. Upgraded Torque Wrench. Despite its lack of a flashy brand name, the moment we picked this tool up, we could feel a significant leap in manufacturing quality, highlighted by a much smoother finish and a heavier, more confidence-inspiring shaft. This model also utilizes a 72-tooth reversible ratcheting head, but unlike the previous models, the internal gearing here feels incredibly precise and completely devoid of any internal slop or wiggle. We used it to mount a set of heavy off-road tires, and the ratcheting action remained buttery smooth throughout the entire grueling process. never once slipping or catching abruptly. One of the standout improvements on this wrench is the torque adjustment ring, which slides up and down with a very satisfying spring-loaded snap that completely secures your chosen measurement. We intentionally banged it against the shop floor a few times, and the locking ring did not budge a single millimeter, guaranteeing that our torque settings remained absolutely perfectly locked in. The high contrast scale on this wrench is a massive upgrade, featuring dark, deeply stamped numerals on a satin-finished background that completely eliminates any annoying glare from overhead garage lights. We were able to rapidly dial in 85 foot-pounds in mere seconds without having to bring the tool right up to our faces, drastically speeding up our workflow when moving from a sedan to an SUV. When you hit your target torque with this wrench, the tactile feedback is fantastic, delivering a sharp, distinct snap that you can feel traveling all the way down the handle and into your palm. It provides a reassuring sense of security that makes it an absolutely fantastic mid-range option for weekend warriors who need a reliable tool for seasonal tire rotations. Number 4. EPAuto Torque Wrench. This is a tool that has earned a massive reputation in the automotive community for being an absolute workhorse. As soon as we unboxed it, we were greeted by a beautiful, corrosion-resistant satin finish that instantly gives off a professional-grade appearance that you would expect from a tool twice its price. The knurled handle on the EPAuto is an absolute triumph of functional design, offering an aggressive, diamond-cut grip that bites into your skin or work gloves just enough to prevent any slipping. We coated our hands in motor oil to simulate the worst possible shop conditions, and we still maintained a perfectly secure hold on the wrench while torquing down stubborn lug nuts. Adjusting the torque settings on this wrench is a classic twist-style affair, but the internal threading is machined so well that twisting the handle feels incredibly fluid and effortless. The locking screw at the base of the handle turns easily and holds the setting with ironclad strength, giving us total peace of mind that we wouldn't accidentally alter the torque while leaning into it. We rigorously tested the calibration of the EPAuto out of the box, and we were thrilled to find it incredibly accurate, consistently landing within 2% of our target torque across multiple different vehicles. The click mechanism is beautifully engineered, producing a loud, echoing snap that is impossible to miss, even with heavy metal music blasting in the garage. This wrench also comes with a heavy-duty blow-molded plastic case and a very handy extension bar, adding tremendous value to an already fantastic package. It is tough, reliable, and perfectly suited for anyone who wants a dependable mechanical torque wrench that will comfortably last them for decades of routine vehicle maintenance. 3. Tekton Torque Wrench. Tekton has completely eliminated any plastic parts from this tool, meaning there is absolutely nothing fragile that can crack, degrade, or break off when you inevitably drop it on the concrete driveway. The scale on the Tekton is an absolute work of art, featuring a highly visible, laser-engraved dual-range scale that is quite literally impossible to wear off over time. Even in the dimmest corners of our garage, reading the exact torque specifications was a total breeze, allowing us to dial in our exact settings with surgical precision every single time. Operating the reversible ratcheting head is incredibly satisfying, requiring only a simple flick of the top-mounted thumb switch to instantly change directions without skipping a beat. The drive tang fits incredibly snugly into all of our sockets, completely eliminating the annoying wobble that can sometimes cause you to round off the edges of your expensive lug nuts. What truly sets the Tekton apart is its flawless mechanical click, which is not just an auditory cue but a deeply mechanical breakaway that physically stops your momentum. When we were tightening wheels to 150 foot-pounds, the wrench delivered a massive, unmistakable impulse to our hands, ensuring we stopped applying pressure at the exact right microsecond. This tool ships pre-calibrated to a staggering plus or minus 4% accuracy and includes a signed certificate from the factory, proving it is ready for serious professional work right out of the box. It offers top-tier tool truck quality without the astronomical price tag, making it an absolute must-have for serious gearheads who demand absolute perfection from their equipment. Number 2. GROWNEER Digital Torque. If you are tired of squinting at mechanical scales and want the absolute peak of modern precision, this digital powerhouse is going to completely change the way you work on your car. The centerpiece of the GROWNEER is its brilliant, brightly backlit LCD screen that displays your exact torque output in real time, completely eliminating the need to interpret analog lines on a metal shaft. You can seamlessly cycle between foot-pounds, newton-meters, and inch-pounds with the simple press of a rubberized button, making it the most versatile tool in our entire testing lineup. The most incredible feature of this wrench is the progressive indicator system, which uses an array of LED lights and a loud buzzer to guide you to your perfect torque setting. As you pull the wrench, a sequence of green lights begins to illuminate, followed by a rapid beeping sound that culminates in a solid red light and continuous tone the exact millisecond you hit your target. This sensory feedback system makes over-tightening practically impossible, as the tool actively warns you as you approach the limit, allowing you to gradually slow down your pulling force. We tested this on a set of delicate aluminum aftermarket wheels, where over-torquing can cause catastrophic cracking, and the GROWNEER's digital guidance provided an unparalleled level of safety and confidence. Despite being packed with sensitive electronics, the heavy-duty steel housing and ruggedized buttons proved to be incredibly resilient to shop fluid spills and minor drops during our evaluation. It does require batteries, which is a slight shift from mechanical wrenches, but for the absolute bleeding-edge precision and user-friendly interface it provides, the GROWNEER is an absolute masterpiece of automotive tooling. 1. LEXIVON Torque Wrench. From the moment we laid our hands on it, it became abundantly clear that LEXIVON has essentially perfected the mechanical torque wrench, blending premium materials with flawless engineering to create the ultimate garage companion. The first thing that grabs your attention is the striking electro-black finish, contrasted with bright, highly saturated yellow print on the measurement scale. This high-contrast aesthetic isn't just for show. It makes the LEXIVON by far the easiest mechanical wrench to read in our entire test group, regardless of whether you are in glaring sunlight or pitch-black shade. The internal calibration on this wrench is nothing short of phenomenal, coming from the factory completely certified to an incredibly strict plus or minus 4% accuracy standard. We verified its performance against our digital testing rig for over 50 consecutive pulls, and the LEXIVON maintained absolute dead center perfection on every single lug nut without a hint of deviation. The ratcheting head features a completely enclosed, dust-proof gear mechanism that operates with a silky, silent smoothness that feels like it belongs in a Swiss watch rather than an automotive tool. The locking collar features a brilliant spring-loaded, pull-down ring that clicks securely into place, ensuring your torque setting is absolutely bulletproof while you're wrestling with heavy wheel assemblies. When you reach your desired torque, the LEXIVON rewards you with an incredibly loud, crisp, and powerful mechanical snap that resonates through the entire beautifully knurled aluminum handle. It offers the absolute perfect balance of premium tool truck build quality, unquestionable reliability, and an incredibly accessible price point, making the LEXIVON the undisputed king of wheel maintenance and the only torque wrench you will ever need to buy.